Did you know that red pandas with their cute faces and bushy tails are not actually pandas? What are they then, you might ask? Let's unravel the mystery. Meet the red panda, a curious creature that calls the lofty heights of the Himalayas and the lush forests of southwestern China home. Despite its name, this small mammal isn't a panda at all. In fact, it's the only living member of the Aluridae family, making it a truly unique species in the animal kingdom. With a name that might seem misleading, how did the red panda come to be known as such? The answer lies in the local Nepali language, where ponya means bamboo or plant eater, a fitting title for these adorable creatures who love to munch on bamboo. So, despite their name, red pandas are not pandas, but an animal species all their own. And as we delve deeper, you'll discover just how fascinating this little-known creature really is. Now that we have established what a red panda is, you might be wondering, what do these adorable creatures eat? Well, let's delve into the culinary world of the red panda, shall we? The primary item on a red panda's menu is, drumroll please, bamboo. Yes, these crimson cuties are bamboo connoisseurs. They spend a good chunk of their day, up to 13 hours, foraging and eating, and the bulk of that time is spent gnawing on bamboo leaves and shoots. Their diet can be up to 95% bamboo. Now that's what I call a bamboo enthusiast. But the red panda's diet isn't all bamboo all the time. They do like to switch things up a bit. Just like how we might enjoy an occasional treat, red pandas also indulge in some dietary diversions. These can include eggs, small birds, and even small mammals. A bit of a surprise, isn't it? But hey, everyone likes a little variety. Now you might be wondering, how can these creatures, cute as a button, manage to munch on such a diverse menu? Well, they come well equipped for their dietary needs. Their strong jaws and sharp teeth are perfectly adapted for their diet, allowing them to easily crunch through bamboo and handle their occasional carnivorous cravings. But it's not just about having the right tools, it's also about how you use them. Red pandas have a unique way of eating. They use their nimble front paws to guide food to their mouths, much like how we humans use our hands. It's a fascinating sight to behold. So while bamboo is their favorite, red pandas are not picky eaters and will dine on a variety of foods when available. Whether it's a bamboo leaf, an egg, or a small mammal, these little furballs are ready to tuck in and enjoy their meal. And that, folks, concludes our look at a red panda's menu. Now that we know what they eat, where do these charismatic creatures call home? Imagine a place where the air is thin, the temperatures are cool, and the sights are nothing short of breathtaking. This is the world of the red panda, nestled high in the temperate forests of the Himalayas. These enchanting animals thrive in the high altitudes, where they can be found anywhere from 7,000 to 12,000 feet above sea level. It's a realm where the clouds often kiss the ground and the silence is only broken by the rustling of leaves and the occasional chirp of a high-altitude bird. And it's not just any forest that the red panda prefers. They have a particular fondness for forests that are old, dense, and mixed with trees like bamboo and fir. The bamboo provides them with their favorite snack, while the fir trees offer them a place to nest and rest. The red panda's love for high altitudes and cool temperatures isn't just a matter of preference, it's a necessity. The thick fur that covers their bodies is designed to keep them warm in the cold mountainous regions. This fur even extends to the soles of their feet, providing them with insulation against the chilly ground. And let's not forget about their tail. Long and bushy, it serves a dual purpose. It acts as a warm, cozy blanket for those chilly mountain nights and as a balance aid when they're navigating the treetops in search of food. The red panda's habitat is not just about survival, it's about tranquility and solitude. They are solitary animals by nature, each one claiming a territory of its own. They mark their territory with secretions from their scent glands, creating an invisible boundary that other red pandas respect. In this serene and secluded environment, the red panda spends most of its time in the trees, sleeping, eating, and playing. It's a peaceful existence, high above the world, where the red panda is at one with nature. High up in the cool mountain forests, the red panda finds its perfect home. Living in these unique habitats, what role does the red panda play in their ecosystem, you might ask? Well, it's fascinatingly multifaceted. The red panda, despite its small size and adorable demeanor, plays a crucial role in maintaining the health and balance of its habitat. One of the most essential tasks they perform is seed dispersion. You see, these pandas have a bit of a sweet tooth for bamboo and various fruits. As they munch on these treats, they inadvertently ingest seeds, Later, when nature calls, these seeds are expelled in their droppings, often quite a distance from where they were eaten. This not only helps in the propagation of these plants, but also contributes to the diversity of the forest. But their role doesn't stop there. Red pandas are also a vital link in the food chain. They serve as a food source for predators such as snow leopards and martens. This may seem a bit cruel, but it's the circle of life. Predators need to eat too, and by fulfilling this role, red pandas help keep the predator population in check. Perhaps one of the most critical roles red pandas play is as an indicator species. Now, you might be wondering what an indicator species is. This is a species that reflects the overall health of the ecosystem in which it lives. Changes in the red panda population can signal alterations in their environment. For instance, a decline in their numbers might indicate a loss of habitat or a decrease in their food supply. Thus, by monitoring the red panda population, conservationists can gain valuable insights into the health of the ecosystem. So you see, red pandas are not just cute faces and fluffy tails. They are key players in their ecosystems, contributing to plant diversity, supporting the food chain, and acting as environmental sentinels. Despite their small size, red pandas play a significant role in maintaining the health and balance of their habitat. As we wrap up, let's summarize the key points about the red panda's diet, habitat, and role in the ecosystem. Firstly, we delved into the fascinating diet of the red panda. Unlike its black and white namesake, the red panda is not a carnivore but a herbivore with a palate heavily favoring bamboo. It's interesting to note that these adorable creatures consume up to 2/3 of their body weight in bamboo every single day. However, their diet isn't limited to bamboo alone. Red pandas are opportunistic feeders, supplementing their diet with fruits, acorns, roots, and occasionally even insects and bird eggs when bamboo is scarce. Moving on, we explored the unique habitat of the red panda. These creatures are native to the cool, temperate mountain forests of the Himalayas, spanning across 5 countries: Bhutan, China, India, Myanmar, and Nepal. The red panda's home is not just any forest, but one that is rich in bamboo, their primary food source. They prefer elevations between 7,000 and 12,000 feet, where a blanket of mist and fog often surrounds the trees, providing the perfect cool and wet conditions that they love. Next, we discussed the crucial role that red pandas play in their ecosystem. Despite their small size and unassuming nature, red pandas are vital for maintaining the health and balance of their environment. One of their significant contributions is seed dispersal. As they roam their territory, munching on bamboo and other vegetation, they inadvertently spread seeds through their droppings, aiding in the growth and spread of plant life in their habitat. Moreover, red pandas also serve as a food source for various predators in the Himalayan ecosystem, including snow leopards and martens. This might not sound particularly pleasant, but it's a crucial part of the food chain, which keeps the ecosystem functioning healthily and efficiently. In conclusion, red pandas are much more than just cute faces. Their survival is intricately linked to the health and well-being of their habitat. They help maintain biodiversity, contribute to seed dispersal, and serve as a vital link in the food chain. Understanding these aspects of the red panda's life not only deepens our appreciation for these enchanting creatures, but also underscores the importance of conservation efforts. After all, protecting the red panda also means preserving the unique and beautiful ecosystem they inhabit. Whether they're munching on bamboo or nesting in the trees, red pandas contribute significantly to their ecosystem, making them a vital species worth protecting.